guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take you all through the process of coloring this 613 250% density 13x4 wig from Wowangel on Aliexpress. I bought this wig with my own money. I already did like an unboxing review, but I'm going to show you all how I achieved this ginger hair color with Adore dye. I hope you all enjoy this video. Oh, I do want to tell you all, like, this wig is just everything. Like, I've never dyed a 613 wig and barely got any shedding. Like, usually that process has a lot of shedding. I just kind of thought it was a given for 613 hair. But y'all, this hair is legit. I love it. But we're going to go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into it. Okay, so here's the 613 250% density wig from Wowangel Hair on Aliexpress. HD lace. The lace was giving. It is actually a full 13x4 lace frontal wig, which I just love because you don't get many of them too often anymore. But the first thing I want to do is protect that lace. Even though it's not really necessary, I just want to be sure. So I'm going to spray the wig with Got To Be Glue Free Spray. I'm going to do 3 layers like always. So I'm going to spray all of the frontal area, blow dry it, spray again, blow dry it, spray again, blow dry it. So over on the stove, I have my boiling pot of water. I just fill up a pot. I don't really measure it much. Some people dye straight in their sink, but I like to use one of these little pans. You can get them from the grocery store. They're maybe $5 or so. And I will be using Adore dye. I'm sorry, I was like, let me clean this up a little bit. But I'm using Adore dye. I have Cajun spice, 2 French cognacs, and cinnamon. So the cinnamon is going to make it a little darker. The Cajun spice is going to add a little reddish to it. And the French cognac is really like the orangeness you get. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the watercoloring process. So I went ahead and poured the boiling water in my little tinfoil pan. And if you want to, you can add more water to it. Like you see, it's pretty low. So I just added some water straight from the sink into the pan, like I was trying to warm it up a little bit. But it really doesn't matter because the water is already so hot. I like to use a real whisk to kind of like whisk around the dye and even it out so you don't have any clumps of dye. So I'm just going to go through the process of like dumping all of the dye in this pan. So you kind of like dip it into the water, shake it around, and pour it back in to get all the dye out of the sides. Just to make sure you're using all of the dye. You want to get your money's worth. And you see I'm whisking it around. I used all the dye of every single bottle shown in the beginning of the video because I just want a really pigmented, rich color. So I see the bubbles look orange. I just know like it's giving. It's the color I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wig and dip it in. I chose to do it tips first, but honestly, I've seen so many people's wigs where like the roots are lighter than like the ends, and sometimes that's because it's not enough dye. Like the tips, the roots aren't able to get as much color as the tips and stuff. So it's really up to you how you do it. But just make sure you get those roots if that's the look you want. But you can see the hair is changing color, and you're going to eventually see the water get lighter. That's how you know all the dye has soaken into the wig. I don't know if that was a word. It looks so pretty. Like you see my roots are a little lighter. I'm going to go in and like add extra dye to it later. But I use the VO5 conditioner. It's just the best conditioner for wigs for me. I know it's like $1 or $2, and I just love it. Like, no conditioner comes close when working with my wigs. Like, that dye is just everything to me. But you can see how beautiful the color looks. Like, I love the watercolor method because you get so many like different colors, really. Like, you get highlights, low lights. It just ends up being really cool, and nothing just like all one color. And this is how the wig looks in the light after washing and everything. Once I style it, you all saw it's gonna come together. It looks beautiful though. Like, very reddish, but not too red. Definitely ginger. I love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I did end up with like a few different gingers in this hair, which I do love about watercoloring the whole process. It's not just like even one color. Sometimes you get like a lighter color here, which just adds some depth to the hair, which I really like. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.